Why, hello there. Parents, does your child need a little more time to practice their math skills? Or teachers, are you looking for additional practice pages to reinforce concepts that you already taught in class? Well, today I am here to share with you one of my go-to websites that is filled with Common Core aligned math practice sheets. And the best of all, it's free. I said it, free.
In order to gain mastery of math concepts, students often need adequate practice. To achieve that goal, I often recommend this website, Common Core Sheets to Parents. This website is filled with printable materials that will help parents support their child at home. So let's get into it. This is the home page, and parents, just a heads up, there are advertisements that often pop up. So if you prefer to explore without the distractions, you can support the site by becoming a patron, and the ads will be removed. This section, How to Use the Worksheets, gives users a quick overview of the useful features provided on each printable page. For example, each printable worksheet provides a separate answer sheet for easy checking. So parents, you won't have to solve each problem in order to check your child's work. As an added benefit, each worksheet comes with a scoring rubric to help you determine the percentage correct. For mastery, the goal is for your child to score an 80% or above. To help your child reach that goal, he or she will need repeated practice. And this website is filled with at least 10 different practice pages per skill. So let's dig into it and take a look at an example. To access an appropriate grade level worksheet for your child, you will start from the home page. The tabs on the left list the math topics to choose from. Let's say that after meeting with your child's teacher, you find that your child needs more practice with multiplication. Simply look to the tabs on the left and select multiplication. As you can see here, another window appears to the right, with a series of subtitles grouped by grade and description of related multiplication skills. Here we see a color-coded number combination. The first number indicates the grade level. So I know that this particular skill is a 4th grade level assignment. To the right, you will see Select a Worksheet, and a list of downloadable worksheets will drop down. As you can see, this description has up to 10 downloadable practice pages. So just simply select one. And here we see that you have an option to either print the worksheet, answer key only, or worksheet only. Keeping in mind that with so many options, your child has multiple opportunities for practice. Another great resource available on this website is the option to create flashcards. So if your child needs additional practice with their multiplication facts, this would be a great resource to use. Just simply scroll down until you find drills. Once selected, another page opens up and you will scroll down until you reach the multiplication section. Here we have several multiplication facts listed. And depending on the multiplication fact that you want your child to practice, you will choose flashcards from there. Here, you're offered many options on how to design your flashcards. You can select the background, color, and even an option to include an answer sheet. In this section, you would want to title the cards. After assigning it a title, Just simply select Create Flashcards, and there you have it. At this point, you simply print them out and cut, and your child will have their personalized set of flashcards to practice their multiplication facts. Well, that's a wrap for now, and thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed learning more about this resourceful website where you can find additional practice pages for your child or student. As some say, practice makes perfect. Oh yes, and don't forget to let me know your thoughts by commenting down below. Until next time, take care.